This is the last video in the Wizard series. Thought you'd never be done, huh? All that's left is the reviews. There are 3 individual reviews, one for peers, one for manager, and also the completion review. First up, we've got the manager review, as I'm sure you can guess, for the team leader. This is a time for the higher-ups to go through the scorecard with their team to help define the scope of every player's work in that scorecard. The manager review's completion means that there is a clear agreement that all work has been set and is now ready for the do mode. Then we've got the peer review. This section is, of course, for peers or players in the scorecard. This step is important because you gain the ability to look into the scorecard to find out any surprises early, like if someone is over or underloaded with work, you can balance it out. Or maybe use this step to make sure no one is waiting on an objective's completion to get started with theirs. All you do to move on is add any notes that would help throughout the quarter and then add a date to it. And then we head on to the next and final step of the Objectives Wizard, the completion review. The scorecard has been reviewed, aligned, and set so that there shouldn't be any surprises. This last step is the cross from setup mode to finally entering the do mode. So, are you ready for the do? Perfect. Let the game begin. My objectives start.